Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix this automatic repair loop in Windows 10 and Windows 11. This works for Windows 11 and Windows 10 and even Windows 8. So how can you repair this startup repair? So this can happen because of multiple reasons like power is shutting down, or you forcefully shut down the PC, or it's just some drivers that do this problem, or maybe you change your graphics card or CPU and now you get this blue screen. So how you can fix it is, the first one is click on this restart, and if this restart still doesn't work, if after you click on this restart and it still loops in this repair, I have another method, which is go to advanced options, and now here we're gonna go and take the last registry that worked for your PC. Click on troubleshoot, click on advanced options, and here we're gonna try on this one startup repair, and if still after this it didn't work, this will take about 30 minutes or 1 hour to fix. And if it still doesn't work, then go again to this advanced options, click on command prompt, and we need to do some commands here in order to initiate the repair. And here we're gonna click on our desktop name here. If you have password, type in your password. If you don't have like password like me, just click on continue. If you don't have any password, just click continue, and you will get this CMD, this command prompt. Now you have to know which drive you installed Windows. So it's probably on C, because most of people install it on C. So maybe it's on D, on E. So how you can know which one is the correct one is just type in here C and these two dots here and press on enter. And now how you know you're in the right direction is just type in DIR, press and enter, and as you can see, this is not the right directory. I'm gonna show you how to know if you're in the right directory. Now I'm gonna type on D and two dots, and again the same command. As you can see, it has to select program files and all of that stuff. So I'm gonna try on this one on E, and as you can see here, when I typed E and two dots and then DIR, which means for directory, as you can see here, I have program files and users, and here's the Windows. So it means this is the one that is installed. So now the next command we need to type here is this one, Windows System 32, and here config. This will be here somewhere typed on the screen so you can see. Now type in md backup like this, press and enter, and then we're gonna another command we're gonna type is copy, then this asterisk star dot asterisk star, and again backup, press and enter, and then we're gonna type in cd regback like this, and then we're gonna type dir again, and then you can close this, or you can type an exit, and now click on continue, or you can turn off your PC and restart. If this still didn't work, then I do strongly to suggest that you back up your PC and just reinstall the Windows, because if you do this after this everything here, and you tried this system restore and uninstalling updates, you can even try this one here, and you will see all of your updates. You can try to uninstall them, and if that still didn't fix it, then you need to back up your files and just reinstall the Windows. You have reinstalling the Windows 10 and Windows 11 on my channel if you want to look. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to the channel if you liked it, if it was helpful, and see you next video. Bye.